This is a space shuttle heat tile, and this is one you can buy right now. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is my beloved space shuttle heat tile. I mean, this is a legit one. It never flew on a space shuttle or anything like that. And as you can see here, they get fragile over time. They are kind of interesting because this is what protected the orbiter as it was re-entering in the Earth's atmosphere at whatever, 17,000 miles an hour from just burning up with the friction from air. This thing feels like styrofoam. I mean, it feels like a high density foam, but it is silica, I think, and I don't know, it feels a little chalky or something, but it's super light. I mean, it just weighs practically nothing, and then has some sort of coating on the outside here, and I think all of this is meant to not burn up, right? But I've always really loved this thing, even though, like I said, starting to come apart. I've always thought it would be really exciting to own a piece of aerospace history, but now you can own it too with this. This is actually brand new. I was super excited when I saw the email from Concord Aerospace that they were manufacturing this. I went online and ordered it right away because I just had to have it, because how did they know that I love it? Look at this. This is a coaster, and it is designed to look like a tile here. And what you can see here is it's legit. So let's take a close look at it. So I want to show you these coasters up close and personal, and here are two of the set. You can see here that we have little felt feet on the bottom here, and we also have this magnet here, and I'm not actually sure what that is all about, but even the little housing, the ring around there, is pretty cool looking. Red on the bottom here. Now I will say that the heat tiles maybe had some sort of red bottom. On mine, it does not. It just has this kind of silica white foam and then this covering on top, and man, it really does a good job of mimicking that. I will say that whatever they are using kind of feels like a rust-proofing undercoating on a car. It's probably more durable than mine. Mine also, I don't know, ever had this little indentation right there, but this is a magnet, and that's kind of weird to me. I want to show you here that like the negative and negative sides facing each other or something, because they won't go together, but they will attach to your refrigerator. So I was kind of curious about, like, why would they have a magnet? Well, one, if you are on a steel workbench or in a workplace, you can put that on there. If you want to show these off on your refrigerator, I feel like you could put these together and then put them on your refrigerator and fully tile your refrigerator as well. But you don't have to do that. Now, I also want to show you how thick they are. They're like an inch thick, and they're kind of normal sized. If I take, like, my water glass right there, you know, it's perfect size for a coaster. But you can also see here that we have printing, and what they've done here is really interesting. I noticed that on my set, these are all different numbers. It says like 193, 192, I think I have like 194, 195. So I don't know if yours will have the exact same number or if they're really like kind of serializing these or something, but these numbers were actually printed on the actual tiles that would go onto the orbiter, because they had to know exactly where they would go, because they were not all just like this, square or rectangular or square-ish. Some of them were like triangular, some of them were a little more trapezoidal to fit like puzzle pieces perfectly. So this is how they knew where they would go, and then maybe the red was like an adhesive or something like that. But man, that is super cool. I totally dig this kind of stuff. Just shows like your passion and enthusiasm for an era that's gone by. I mean, dude, I loved living in the space age. I loved seeing space shuttles go off. I remember going down to Cape Canaveral and watching the launch. It was awesome. Like, there was just something romantic beyond humanity, thinking about going to the stars and beyond. And Star Trek was in full swing at this time too, so all you could think about were endless possibilities. And so something like this, I think, is just a cool way to bring it home. They're not overly heavy, but they have some weight to them, and I think if you are an aerospace, maybe a NASA space enthusiast, something like that, you are gonna love these, because I love them. They're my pretty little pet. Oh, you're a good pet, naughty. But I am not the only one with them. If you want to go to Concord Aerospace and pick up your own set, you can do that too. I'll put a link to these guys in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.